it's me Shweta from Dhatri Handicrafts. Hope you're all doing great. I recently completed a few orders which went to the US and I was extremely happy, and I shared the pictures with my family and friends. A couple of my friends who are homemakers asked me how I managed to take out so much time. So I thought I would share with you all how I do it so that it can probably motivate a few of you. When I was making those orders, obviously I was overwhelmed. I did not know where to begin, where to end, because as a homemaker, you have certain responsibilities towards your family. I have absolutely no qualms about it because we do things for our family out of love, but not just out of duty. So obviously our priority towards our family is very important. And apart from that, once you have taken care of all that, the routine chores and all that, you have to sit down and take time for yourself. Figure out what would make you happy, what would you like to do differently that will make you happy in a long run as well. If you sit and binge watch certain web series, probably it will give you temporary happiness. As we all know, we have short-term memory, so after a few days the storyline and everything will fade away. But what you work on today, or the skills that you develop today, will definitely help you in a long run, and that is something which is permanent. So that's all I wanted to share with you all as well. I hope I made sense. I'm going to share the pictures of the orders that I completed recently. I hope you like them. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful and positive day ahead. Thank you. Bye.